got another unboxing to do. Here we are, 2 boxes. Let's open these up. I will read the instructions and put it all together. Back soon. Here it is, it's all assembled, minus the camera. I say minus the camera because this is actually a unit to keep your camera steady when you're panning round. Unlike a tripod, you can actually walk along slowly with this and it should keep the camera straight because it has 2 hand grips and a shoulder pad. I should endeavour to show you. This is the shoulder pad, if you will. You actually push it into your shoulder. This plate here is where the camera sits, and this is a sun shield, or barn doors as I know them as. They're individually adjustable, top, left and right. They're actually mounted to these 2 rails. You can slide them further in or bring them back depending upon the camera being used. Normally the camera would sit there. There's a standard camera screw there. In the design they've thought this out very well. These red parts are actually nuts, that's all they are. The idea is you undo them, move whatever part it is you want to, and then tighten them up again. Undo these 2. I can slide it in or out as required. The way I'm going to use it, I don't actually need this because my camera comes with its own shield, and yes, it does screw on and sits in the middle. The idea being you hold the 2 handles and press the shoulder pad, for want of a better word, into your shoulder, keeping it still, enabling you to smoothly move round. I'm looking forward to using it. I do have an electric gimbal, but I thought I would try this. I got it from Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below. If you like what you've seen, a thumbs up will be appreciated. A subscription to the channel would be great as well. And as always, thanks for watching.